Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Again, this is your host, Santos Capelan Jr., always wishing you a good day. Guys, what I'm going to do is to explain to you my other version of my internet cafe, okay? Now, actually, I have started the BMS Engineer Computer Programming Tutorial, okay? Now, I have started a very simple one, but I want to show you more advanced version of that internet cafe, okay? Now, again, this one is another version of my computer station monitoring, okay? Just to give you an idea how it works, so let me walk you through. Now here, as you can see here, I have here the 15 pesos rate, okay? So I'm using here a combo box, so I can change the uh, per hour rate. Okay, now let's stick with the 15 pesos. Okay, now here, as you can see here, I only have here a login button because my log out, I'm using again a combo box here. Okay, so how it work? Okay, so let me say log in computer number one. Okay, so station tier one login is 1011. Okay, then why I already have 50 centavos there. Anyway, let's go here. Okay, so this one, I think there's some problem here. Again, let me check why it become, I already used 2 minutes. Okay, now anyway, I think there are some variables which are not set back to zero. Okay, anyway, I will check it for you later. Okay, then let me log in station 3 also. Okay, now here, down below, I have some other buttons here. Because in a cafe, there will be some refreshment that is being offered in a cafe. Okay. Now, guys, once again, I'm doing this just to give you an idea. How are you going to do some simple programming? Okay, especially to those engineers who have a very less computer subject during college days, like just like me. Way back 1985, I think I only have one subject in computer, which is I think that is basic programming. Okay, now that is very 1985. We are still using the DOS operating system using a diskette or a floppy disk drive. Okay. Now here I have some. Let's say the user number two. He go to the counter and says, "I want some refreshment." Okay. So let's say he wants a coffee. So my copy is 25. So there is already a price for each selected item. Then I want a cake slice. Okay. So that is 25 also. Now, as you can see here, the cost of snack beverages is 50. Okay. Then don't forget to charge it in the station because the user in station 2 is the one who approached the counter. So I will charge it to station 2. Then charge to station 2. Consumable has been charged to station 2. Okay. Then I will close it. Okay, so we can go back here. Okay. Then let's say this station 3. Okay. Now, anyway, I'm going to give you some idea how the consumables or the refreshment being added to the uh, cost of the services offered to the computer user. Okay, now let's see this one, station 2. Okay, so already he have used 2 minutes. Okay, then he decided, let's say for the sake of not waiting so much time, so let's say computer number 2 decided to stop or log out. Okay, so I will come here, then I will say 2. So I will log out 2, station number 2. Okay, so this will be the like a receipt. So when he comes to the counter and about to pay, then he will the user or the guy who is manning the internet cafe, he will be able to see, okay, cost of other services is 50. What are those services availed? That is coffee, 25. Then cake slice, 25. So that total is 50. Then the cost for using the station. Station number 2, details. Login time 10:13. Logout time 10:16. Duration is 3 minutes. amount to pay is 75. So 75 is the use of computer, the amount to be paid for the use for using of computer. Then it will be added to the other consumables which are availed by the user. So the total amount is 50.75. Okay, then it will be there. Station 2 amount to pay is 50.75. Now, actually, when I have way back 2001, I guess, I have a small internet shop. Okay, so I tried to develop this so that, because sometimes if you are so busy, there are so many users. Let's say I only have there around 10 computers. So if there are so many users, then sometimes you will forget that station 1 user, he tried to print some document, then he tried to buy some consumable like floppy disk. During that time, there is still floppy disk drives. Then maybe he tried to buy some consumable like pencil or ball pen. Then you forget to charge or collect the money for that during when he stops using the computer, or when he's about to leave the shop and you forget something. Then of course that is a big loss for you as a businessman. Okay, so I tried to develop something wherein I will be able to monitor what is being offered to that user. Okay, just like this one. So again, so this guy asked for coffee and a slice of cake. That is 50 pesos. Then the computer usage is he logged in at 10:13, then he logged out at 10:16, then duration is 3 minutes. Then amount to pay for using of the computer is 0.75, which is added to this consumable, which is 50.75, and that will be reflected here. Okay, then when he will pay, then you will just click pay. Okay, then class. Then I think I have a collection here. So total amount collected 82.25, because I have used this before I do the blogging. I use already this one. So I already have around 82.25 in my register. Okay. So guys, I will show you how I did this thing during my tutorial. Okay. Because I have started a very simple one, then maybe I will try to replicate this one in that tutorial, so that you will, if you are interested to know how to do these things, I will try to share it to you. So again, thank you very much for joining me in this short video tutorial, just trying to explain some of the concept which I tried to implement in this computer station monitoring. So once again, thank you for joining me, and I do hope I will be able to see you soon in the next video tutorial. Again, thank you. And before we will end, God bless us all. Let's all be safe, and bye for now.